Hello everyone, I am Sikandar Aburake from Tude Plus 24. Welcome to my Angular 2 tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to use Angular animation. Here I have started my project, and this is the very simple things, and I am using Atom as a code editor. Here I have just written some variable, and here I have given some style for dot well and h1 h2 h3, and into HTML I have put some div to put some information in a bootstrap row. So it is pretty simple, so that's why it is coming here. So I am going to start my project. So very first thing, I need to attach something here. For animation, I need trigger, and better I can write in this way. And state and style, transition, and animate. The first thing. Then I'm going to app component HTML, and I'm going to create another row for my work, and two columns for and all MD6, and I'm going to create a button, and I can write click me, and some div here, and I'm giving some ID, uh, my so anything I can do, my name or ID, my ID. Okay, and here I can write uh, or I can write uh, display. Okay, so I'm going to say it. So this is the button, and this is the div. So I'm just wanting to click this button and activate some event, and that event will make it animated. So I'm going to add some click event here, binding some click event, and on click, and in app.component.ts I'm writing console.log I am here. Let us see how it works. On click console log I am here. Oh, I did not save it. If I click, so it is working. So it is very normal thing that we did before. Now uh, if I add some style here, like uh, for example ABC, and or not here, I can write the style for this ID. I can give padding 25 pixel and background color uh, E1 E1 E1. Okay, okay. So uh, now I need to write here some binding, and to identify it I want to give some name with @ sign. For example, my box state, and that's it. Now I'm going to component class, and I need to define that state into my component class. You can write state string and initialize it with inactive, and here. I need to write animations, and within this block we'll have to write all of our animations. And first of all, I am going to write the trigger method, and uh, the trigger name, what we give the trigger, my box trigger name. So name, and comma, and then I can write state. This state is this state. So writing inactive, and I want to give some style, and that style I want to give an object like transform uh, scale 100% means 1. So and for another state, I can write in this way, easier. Okay, and is active, and style transform a bit larger. Okay, and inactive style, what I did wrong. My box inactive style transform scale. Okay, then state active style transform scale. Okay, mm, just mistakenly something is written there. Well, then I'll have to give After state, I'll have to give transition. Transition works from one state to another, means from inactive to active and active to inactive. So inactive to active, and at the same time another parameter is animate. uh, for example 300 millisecond, and is in, and it is from active to inactive, and it is out. Well, this is all about the transition, and I am wanting to see the toggle effect here, so I can write instead of console log, I can write this dot state, this dot state. I am going to use here the ternary operator is equal to inactive, uh, then active, otherwise inactive. Okay, this state is equal to state. Okay, is the click event, and is the trigger, and we declared it, and in the HTML file we gave this name here, and here is our method. Let's see what happens. If I click, oh, one thing I need to do. Oh, here is the problem, because I did not complete it. So now I can see, if I click this button, yes, the animation is working, and again it is going back, and it is working. So we can add a bit more. We can add transform, and like background color, background color, and I can give it like red or and I can give E3, 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 and I am changing it with uh, 4, 6, and we check what happens. Yes, color is changing. So if I change the red and green, and we can expect it is changing its color and scaling, transforming the size also. So this is the animation, and if we want to add one step more, in that case we'll have to add another name for different actions, different trigger, uh, box, your box, and I can write here like mm, I'll have to create another trigger, so I can put it here comma, and I can copy, paste it here, and need to change your box. The name of the target is changed here, and here I'm not wanting this anymore, and I want transition from state of inactive void to from non-existing to existing, and I can write style transform, can write translate y axis minus 100%, and also animate 700. So let me check. This is for that, and this for that, and this is for this. So okay, so we're not going to create another trigger, so we need not to have comma here. Let us see what happens. Okay, if I refresh, it is coming. If I increase, and if I give here the color like uh, F2, F3, F5, and here E, 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 then yes. So this is the animation. It is coming from here, from up, and when I am clicking, so it is enlarging, and again clicking, it is reducing, so toggling effect is working. So this is the thing that we can use into our Angular apps, these animation features. So it's easy because most of the things is used here from the CSS properties. So if you just follow carefully, so you can do it by any combination. You can play around with your animation. I hope this is informative for you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, please leave it in the comment, and see you next.